my neighbor Joe, who's a painter by trade, him and his guys have been in here for the last few days, masking off, caulking, you know, wood filling. And I came out last night and me and Joe stayed out here late, drank a few beers, and have just been sanding. We've been using this 320 grit sandpaper on the built up wood fill and the miters on all the corners of the picture frame windows. And it's been going good. He built up extra mud on these. And I mean, these things are just smooth as a baby's butt, for real. Because if you can feel it, you'll be able to see it. So we just went around, I added a little mud here in places, but we're just going around with 320 and smoothing everything out. And you can see everything's ready to roll as far as spraying goes. We just got to finish these miters, and then he is going to be priming tomorrow and then spraying the next day. So we'll get her going. So we filled these with mud. I'm gonna knock down the high spots here with like 180 grit sandpaper, and then I'll smooth this all out with 320. And yeah, just trying to get it so it's smooth, so you don't feel anything. So that's kind of what I'm having to do, because my miters, you know, my miter cuts just weren't that good. I mean, they weren't terrible, but I knew we were gonna have to spend some time on these. Okay, so it's the next weekend, and we finally graduated from living in the camper when we come to creating a little space up in the shop. We blew up a mattress, got a TV, got our little area set up, and the kids were just loving it.
This is going to be so epic. We have a 70-inch TV and it's got this.
Hank is putting our bags all over there. Thank you.
Hey, what's this, funny people?
Nice, June. We got the upstairs set up. Now we're gonna go see the paint job that Joe did of all the trim. Me and Hank are sickies, but we're pushing through it, huh, Hank?
Yeah.
This looks good. What do you think, Anna?
Yeah, it looks perfect.
Like clean. Yeah.
Keith likes
Look at
it.
the black windows.
So I told the guys we were at another job, I said, hey, they're coming over, they're bringing the kids, let's get some masking off of this so we can see it.
Oh, thank you.
I haven't seen it. And so they pulled it off real slow. You know, 'cause it's hard with the black, so you gotta keep a straight line and everything.
Oh,
And, yeah. So there you go.
Thank you.
Nice and customized there, buddy. So we pulled it off a little too soon, but it's fine. I wouldn't even touched it for another day.
Oh,
It's
you
okay.
Yeah.
didn't have to do it, but thank you.
Hey.
Hi, buddy.
Good morning. Hey.
Get a wet one? Yeah. I can? Okay, let me get it. Oh.
Hey, and watch this too, people.
Nice.
Where's my baby?
Nice, Junie.
And watch this.
Okay, guys, we're ready to go. I gotta go. I'll be back. Love you.
Oh my gosh.
Bye, June.
Wow.
Okay.
Where's my baby?
I just gotta do this real quick so that Joe can work. As you can see, trim is all sprayed white and it looks fantastic. Little accident there. So I just have to touch this up with some orange peel. I gotta sand this down, do some orange peel real quick. And then Joe, our neighbor, he's gonna come spray this room green. We got a green color for the trim and walls. So I did that real quick. I was supposed to do that, but I forgot, or I just kind of woke up. So I'm gonna get that done now. Closer. Let me dry. Let's see. 30 minutes. So he'll be able to spray in 30 minutes. Okay, so I got that texture done on that little drywall patch. And then Joe texted me to sand all the trim with 320 because he had primed it. And so we'll just knock down all the high spots. That feels pretty good. Because he's gonna be here in a couple minutes to start prepping and spraying the green color. So it'll be pretty sweet. Hey, can I cut a hole in this, tiny hole, to film you, and then I'll tape it back up?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Sick. Where's your mom?
Bathroom. Dad.
Should I scare her?
Dad. Do it.
Hey. What are you doing? I was gonna prank you.
Oh.
You wanna come see?
Well, isn't it on tape now?
But I cut a hole. It's because I was filming. You can look through, but you might get sprayed.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, okay, I think.
Can you see?
It seems like burn my
Oh,
eyeballs.
careful. Well,
just
I
wait.
put this in and it got covered in paint, so I had to clean it off. Here, look.
It's really hard to tell.
It's so dark.
Nice.
You'll lighten up.
Yeah.
I like
It's
it.
our cave, escape cave.
It is.